Hey guys, today I wanna show you how to open dashboard of the Chevrolet Sonic LTZ 1.4. Here is the dashboard, and we wanna replace the evaporator coil. So let's do start it. Alright, so first of all we will open these two screws. Left and right down the steady, and then just push it. Yeah. And just push the clip welding socket and unplug it. And then here is the OBD. Just push the locks like this. Just push like this. Okay. So here's the lock. This one. Just pulled it up and just take. Now we wanna open the steering cover. Here's the screw down. And then we will open the meter, and then this cover will take out. Alright guys, just push with the screwdriver from here. This one, this lock, and then just open the meter. Just push it like this. So and then open the screw, this one. And then unplug the meter wiring socket, push up the lock, just take out this. And then just push the gear lever and unplug the socket. Yes. Just push it up, cover. So must put the key in, and then just pull the lever back. Okay, and now we're going to open this all screws 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will open this radio AC panel 1. Just push it like this. Then just remove this one first, because this clips behind the radio cover is very hard and stiff, so it must be careful with the scratches. So just take out like this first, and just pull the something screwdriver or tool like this. Just put your finger also and push out. So be careful. Okay guys, so here is the clips. This must be very hard to take out, so be careful. And then just open the screws to screw for panel and radio. Angkut apa ini? So here's the 6 wiring 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's the old wiring. This one. Okay. And then open this one. Yeah, behind meter. and as you guys can see, this one can move in. Then just unplug the socket of airbag. Just take out the cover side. Airbag. And guys, just open the airbag. Just pull this part out, this one and this one up, this part, in two parts.
Beratnya lagi.
And then this sensor socket, unplug it. Okay guys, and here is our dashboard. We will open this dashboard and then we will put the open our steering. So our steering is more down, so easy to take out the steering. If it doesn't want to open steering, also can. So here is our dashboard, and then we will open this frame. Here is the screws 1, 2, 12, and there 10, and then this is our evaporator. So guys, we also need to open our steering, because when our steering is down, so it's easy to push back this frame. Guys, must need to open the wiper because the number 13 screw is inside here. So must need to open wiper. So last time I'm gonna show you again and again. So here's the two screws, and then this one 2 up here, 1 2, and this one 2 here, and the other side, and then we need to open this one, and then 2 screws this one for our steering, and then the last one here 1 2, this one, and then the other side, wiper side number 13, and then after that just push it like this. So here is our bracket, as you guys can see. Okay, alright, so here is our bracket, this one. Plus just take out the gas, and then number 13, the screw. Here's the expansion valve. After open this screw, open the screw and then just pull it like this. And then just pull it, yeah, like this. Yes, just put it like this and take out inside the evaporator coil. And this is the evaporator. Let's take it, the box, complete box. Sorry guys, just forgot to tell you this, guys. Nearby the expansion valve here is the one and also screw in the tank. This one. Let's open this and check our evaporator box. Yes, this one. And now just take out the evaporator box. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Be careful, check the all wiring before take out the box. This box must be free with from the wiring. Anything, so just be careful. Alright. Okay guys, so here's the cooling coil box. This looks like this. And after open, this looks like this. Must need to everything open, then only can the cooling coil can take out. Cooling coil box, wiper box, and here's the dashboard fan. Okay, so here's the 5.5. 5.5. Okay guys, so here is our evaporator coil. As you guys can see, I did leak test before open the dashboard. So here is the oil chemical, the green color one. So here is the evaporator. This is the expansion valve.